Alright guys, so we made the decision. It's been a week since I picked up the dirt bike, and we decided we needed to be able to haul our stuff. It's a 2012 Chevy Express van 2500. It's really dirty, and I mean really dirty. Construction pieces everywhere. Some useful, some not. So I'm gonna get to cleaning this thing today. Here we go. We are starting to get there, guys. We are starting to get there with this. I'm pretty happy with how quickly I was able to clean up. Minus all the surface dust and stains, this thing is actually pretty cleaned out now. I missed a spot. So this is some of the tools I found in here that are useful. A couple of drill bits, some smaller Allen keys. But you can't go wrong with Madagascar and the Lion King Special Edition. Now I'll be honest with you guys, I bought this van because, well, it was in pretty good shape, but the moment I saw this gold in the door, I knew we were gonna have a good time. Polish music and movies. $911 later, I got the plates to my van and the title transferred, and the dirt bike's title is transferred as well. Alright, so we've got the plates done, we've got the car washed, vacuumed, all the metal stuff taken out of it, and boy was that a lot. I found some cool little stuff that I might keep for later on, but for the most part, it's been cleaned out. Let's go check it out. here we are. I vacuumed everything out as best as I could after I pulled all of that junk from the last owner out. This has come a long way. I still gotta do a lot of scrubbing because of how dirty it is, but we got the plates. All I gotta do is call and insure, and we'll be on the road. How do you like the van?
I love the van.
I know it's big, but...
Well, this way now I don't have to pay delivery charges for furniture. I'll just have you haul it home.
Here we go. Roll, 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 roll. Ooh, that's messy.